Hello, today we will check the Rdwc system together and I will explain to you how it works and how it is made. By Rdwc system we can grow top quality plants indoor effortless. Now let's see what we need for professional Rdwc system. Grow buckets, control bucket, air pump, air stone, air hose, water pump or water chiller, and two sides of polyethylene piping. Each bucket is considered separately as a DWC system. The method of making it is fully explained in the previous video and you can watch it on my channel. The placement of the air stone and the height of water solution and how to plant a bare root clone have important points that are common in the DWC and Rdwc systems. But what is the difference between DWC and Rdwc? Simply, they are the same except Rdwc actively recirculates the nutrition solution through the buckets continuously with the water pump, while the individual units are plumbed together in a series with piping. Well, first we will take a general look at the whole system and then I will explain each and every component to you. This is the picture of the whole circulation system of the water solution. The water solution is transferred from the control bucket to the planting buckets, and then the water solution is circulated through a chiller or a water pump and it returns to the control bucket. Hydroponic chillers, in addition to cooling the water, provide also the desired water circulation. If your water chiller does not have this feature, you should also use the water pump. And this is the map of air pump connections to air stones, which is so easy. What is a hydroponic chiller? A hydroponic chiller is a system that provides process cooling for hydroponic reservoirs. Maintaining the right temperature is essential for hydroponic success, influencing plant health, growth and yield, especially in challenging climates. The best water solution temperature for hydroponics, or the ideal range, is between 18 and 25 degrees Celsius. This temperature range provides an ideal setting for healthy roots and optimal nutrition absorption. Generally, as water temperature increases, it loses oxygen and chokes your plants. If you don't need a chiller, you should use a water pump instead, because Rdwc must have a circulating water solution, so you can control everything like pH and temperature and solution concentration from control bucket. A water pump with power of pumping 2 gallons per hour. But in the end it depends on your workload. Plants use oxygen for a number of activities, the most important being nutrient absorption. Without oxygen, plant roots will not have the energy to absorb nutrients and water, leading to a stunted growth. Inadequate oxygen also leads to plants becoming stressed. The air pump takes oxygen from the air and channels it into the air stone, and then into the water solution. Air stones allow plants in hydroponic systems to increase their nutrient uptake by increasing dissolved oxygen in water solution, so they are essential. I used polyethylene piping for this hydroponic system, which is especially for irrigation systems and can be found all over the world. I know that many companies produce specialized equipment for hydroponics, but I designed this system with existing connections and it is applicable for everyone. For Rdwc system, we must use at least 63 mm pipes so that the growth of the roots does not block the water path. For connecting the input and output of the buckets, I used male adapter connectors. Working with polyethylene pipes and fitting is so easy and does not require glue or special equipment. 16 mm polyethylene pipes are enough for return pipes of the water solution through the pump or chiller. By Rdwc, many plants grow faster compared to traditional soil-based methods. Actually, the continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients directly to the plant roots enhances their metabolic activity and boosts growth rate. I put the list of equipments needed for this system at the end of the video. I tested this system. It is very easy to use. If you are interested in hydroponic systems, you must try this one. I hope it was useful for you. I tried to explain everything, but if you need more information, you can write it for me. Have a good day and bye!